Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Today we're going to look at this chemistry question on acids. Which of the following shows the correct ionic equation for the reaction given? Hydrochloric acid reacting with magnesium. We actually get salt and hydrogen. So acid react with magnesium, but we'll realize magnesium should be a solid. Okay, so this one is not correct, although the salt and hydrogen is correct. Hydrochloric acid react with lead nitrate. This is a precipitation reaction. You have two aqueous solutions reacting to give a solid. This is correct. Sulfuric acid with copper carbonate. Copper carbonate is not soluble in water. Hence, you cannot ionize to become an aqueous solution. So this one is incorrect. Nitric acid with potassium hydroxide. You actually get salt and water. But this is an acid-alkaline reaction. The final result for the ionic equation should be H plus OH minus. Then it will give you H2O. To write an ionic equation, you need to write the chemical equation first, balance it, then write the state symbols. Here, I'll just show you one example for D. Okay, although the answer is B. So you need to split up those in the aqueous state only. This is liquid, so you don't need to split up. This equation is balanced. Okay, so you need to cancel those that's exactly the same on both sides of the equation. Usually, if you cannot cancel due to the numbers in front, it's because you didn't balance the equation correctly. So these two salts, K plus and NO3 minus, they are in the solution, but they are not taking part in the actual reaction. They are called spectator ions. So you're left with H plus OH minus and produces water. This is in the liquid state. This is in the aqueous state. And H plus is also in the aqueous state. These are the different steps to arrive at the ionic equation. So for these, if you're not sure, you will need to write it out. But if you can pick up the state symbols and the errors, then it will be easier for you to find the answer. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.